Go ahead, lift it up.
Lift it up? Lift it up?
Yeah. Today, y'all. We're on the Saran. You know what I'm on? I'm on the stealth bomber. We out here rolling through the town right quick. Rolling through the town. Oh, they got the movie set. They got the movie people all over the motherfucker. Yo! Huh? Huh? What? Oh, this my man's joint.
You looking, bro?
I said, yo, this look like V coming, yo. Nigga
Yeah,
got
they
high-tech
good,
helmet.
what's
good, Phil? What's up? They good? Shit looking fire, yo.
Yeah, it's my man Stan and shit, X.
What's up? All right?
Good, bro.
Shit. Yeah. I soon come check you up.
Yeah.
I just damn near
tomorrow.
I just damn near just saved his life. His handlebars is loose.
Oh, shit.
That's why you was just testing them out for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just tightening them. I'm testing them out now.
This
Word
look
up.
like a fucking, almost like a Saran or something.
Yeah,
This is a Saran.
Oh.
I take that shit on the highway. I take it from Harlem to New Jersey.
Wow. Smooth jumping everything with this shit.
Yeah.
I mean, it goes
That's
to
the
the
one that
hood.
I wanted.
It's quiet.
Yeah, boss.
Yeah, I'm thinking about
I
getting
really
one.
wanted it. That's why I bought it.
Tricks and everything. I see the niggas jumping mad
Yeah,
high.
one of the trucks in Manhattan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was, I got a little high, like, almost over the car, but I was scared.
On the Saran, y'all. This joint lifts up real easy. I'm not going to do it for y'all today. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Riding channel. This is V, your host. Back out here rolling with my boy X. Came to check me again. He had so much fun riding the stealth bomber that said he had to come back and get another blast on it. But anyway, I'm on the Saran. First Saran I ever rode, and it's my second time riding. It's cool. It's cool. It's definitely lighter than the stealth bomber, and it's definitely lower, which I like. I like being lower to the ground. It's kind of a low rider. I ordered 19-inch rims for my bike also. This has 19-inch front and back. He definitely got his money's worth out of this bike. He got over 12,000 miles on it. He drives a year round. Says he even rides into Jersey and all that. Goes on the highway with it and everything. I just do like 32. Huh? Yeah. So yeah, he definitely got his money's worth, and it certainly has seen better days. His front wheel is a little loose. I think he said the bearings went in the front wheel, and he has no back brakes whatsoever. He relies on the regen. His regen is set up kind of funny too. Once you let go of the throttle, it starts slowing the bike down. I hate that. Other than that, it's cool. The handlebars are kind of low, but they nice and wide. So that's cool. And my arms is long, so it's not like I'm really crouched over. So I don't know how, I don't know how it would feel like after 10, 15 miles or whatever. Other than that, it's cool. One thing I like about the Saran, they seem to hold their value pretty well. And they like the Super 73. They have tons of miles. But that headlight is driving crazy. I figure I wasn't going to be pedaling anyway, so nothing. Tons of miles for the Saran. So yeah, definitely think of getting one. See what's up there. here on the sea run. Only go 32. Yeah, he having a blast on that joint. That joint look mean.
Nah, bro, I gotta upgrade the speed of my stuff. This is dumb fuck. Yeah, I like it, but like, I wish you had the regen on it too, cause I feel safer with it, but.
Oh, where?
Yeah, but the brakes still work and shit.
Yeah, yeah. I like that it coasts, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like that it coasts a lot.
You could turn that down though, but I didn't do it though.
Yeah, yeah. Now I was thinking about putting the regen on there and shit. She looked like she wanted to jump on the bike with you.
Yeah, I know. Times where like the cops they ordered me to stop.
Yeah.
They ended up trying to push me off the bike as I was.
Oh, word?
I kept going.
Word?
And that ass, bro, they hit me dumb hard. Bro.
In the Bronx? That's what I'm getting. That's where we shine at. This is where we shine at. Go straight. We go.
I was trying to make a U-turn real quick.
Oh, you making a U-turn?
I think it's a park that I'm gonna go to, I think.
There's one down there. Well, it's kind of slow though.
Oh shit! You never taped it on.
Hmm?
That's crazy.
Oh, I ain't got it in the sport.
Yeah, be careful, be careful.
Yeah, yeah. I'm good.
I think you switched it. My bad, bro. You gotta let me know when you go. You get your mans to come.
Yeah.
Watch your back. I go tell the guy who put me on to the bikes to come out too, cause he still got his bike. His shit is blue though.
Okay.
You next to the Hunts Point and shit. You know, next to Simpson Street and shit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's where y'all be at? Yeah, yeah, let me know. I'll come through. This shit is dumb fun. Yeah, yeah. Make a left.
This gotta come back to his own. Well, nah, his shit is heat though, bro. Gotta go, bro.
I'm about to go tell you. You gon'
Hold on. I'm gonna stop at the stuff and I'm talking about this.
alright. Later on. I'm up the block. Put it up. Go ahead, lift it up. Yeah.